Becoming an aircraft marshaller is not just about guiding planes on the tarmac. It's about ensuring safety, precision, and efficiency in one of the world's most complex environments. Whether you're dreaming of working at a major international airport or a smaller regional airstrip, this guide will help you understand the essential steps to becoming an expert in aircraft marshalling. Understanding the role of an aircraft marshaller. An aircraft marshaller plays a crucial role in ground operations, acting as the eyes and ears of the pilot while the aircraft is on the ground. Your primary responsibility is to guide aircraft safely to and from parking stands, ensuring they avoid obstacles and other aircraft. This is done through a series of standard hand signals or, in low visibility conditions, using illuminated wands. Safety is the top priority, and a marshaller must be vigilant at all times. The role requires clear communication, quick decision-making, and a thorough understanding of airport layout and aircraft types. Before you embark on this career path, it's important to understand that marshalling is both physically and mentally demanding, often requiring work in all weather conditions. Essential skills and qualifications. To become an aircraft marshaller, a strong foundation in several key areas is essential. Firstly, you need to be physically fit. Marshallers often work outdoors in varying weather conditions, and the job can be physically demanding, requiring stamina and agility. Secondly, effective communication skills are vital. You'll be working closely with pilots, ground crews, and air traffic control, so being able to convey information clearly and accurately is crucial. Thirdly, attention to detail and situational awareness are paramount. Airports are busy, dynamic environments, and you'll need to be constantly aware of everything happening around you to prevent accidents. In terms of qualifications, a high school diploma or equivalent is typically required. Some airports or ground handling companies may prefer candidates with additional technical training or certifications in aviation. However, the most critical training comes in the form of on-the-job experience and specialized marshalling courses, which we'll discuss next. Training and certification. To be recognized as a professional aircraft marshaller, you'll need to undergo specific training. This usually begins with a course in ground operations, where you'll learn about airport layouts, aircraft types, and the fundamentals of marshalling. A key component of your training will be mastering the International Civil Aviation Organization (ICAO) hand signals, which are the global standard for aircraft marshalling. These signals include everything from indicating a stop to communicating the need for a tug or requesting an engine shutdown. Precision in these signals is crucial, as any miscommunication can lead to serious consequences. In addition to hand signals, you'll also need to become proficient in using marshalling wands, particularly for night operations or when visibility is low. Your training will include both classroom instruction and practical exercises, often conducted in a simulated airport environment. Once you've completed your initial training, you may need to pass a certification exam, depending on the country and airport where you intend to work. Certification ensures you understand the safety protocols and can perform the job to the required standard. Gaining experience and advancing your career. After completing your training and obtaining certification, the next step is to gain practical experience. Many aircraft marshallers start their careers in entry-level positions at smaller airports or as part of a ground handling team. This experience is invaluable, allowing you to apply your training in real-world situations and build your confidence. As you gain experience, there are opportunities to advance your career. With time, you could move into senior marshalling roles, overseeing larger aircraft, or taking on supervisory responsibilities. Some marshallers choose to specialize further, becoming experts in particular types of aircraft, or working at major international airports, where the scale and complexity of operations are greater. In addition to marshalling, many professionals expand their skills into other areas of ground operations, such as aircraft towing, refueling, or de-icing, which can enhance their career prospects and earning potential. The challenges and rewards of aircraft marshalling. Aircraft marshalling is a demanding career, both physically and mentally. You'll need to work in all weather conditions, often for long hours, and the job requires constant vigilance. However, for those with a passion for aviation, the rewards are significant. There's a great sense of responsibility and pride in guiding aircraft safely to their parking stands, knowing that you're playing a crucial role in the smooth operation of an airport. The opportunity to work closely with pilots and ground crews and to be part of the dynamic world of aviation makes this a fulfilling and exciting career choice. Becoming an aircraft marshaller requires dedication, training, and a commitment to safety. It's a role that demands both physical and mental resilience. But for those who thrive in high-pressure environments and have a passion for aviation, it offers a rewarding and dynamic career path. Whether you're just starting out or looking to advance in your aviation career, the skills and experience gained as an aircraft marshaller can open doors to numerous opportunities within the aviation industry.